Good morning, y'all. I'm just frying up some eggs, making biscuits. These are sourdough biscuits again. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about that. We're having another rainy day. Lawson likes to help hold his bottle. As you can see, he's really good at it. He burps like a grown man. I started to leave that in there, but I changed my mind. Sorry. Today for lunch, I'm making something that some of y'all may have never had. I've got a bunch of ham left over, so I'm gonna make ham and dumplings. Maybe you've only had chicken and dumplings, but my mama used to make ham and dumplings. My mama used to make ham and dumplings when I was little, and I've made it several times. And I had some ham hock. However, I was out of chicken broth, so I put this ham hock in the water to give it some more flavor since I didn't have any chicken broth. I can't believe that I'm out. Anyway, while this cooks, me and Lawson are going to go out and take some scraps to the chickens. And then I noticed, Mary, what are you doing? Mary is my very stubborn Americana that gets out of the pen all the time. Then she gets back in there. We got to clip her wings again. We just haven't. Y'all, it is really coming down. Mary, darn it. I didn't have a bread lane when I first got started with sourdough, and I got one the other day, so I'm hoping my bread scoring skills continue to get better. here's where I noticed my oven mitt has a hole in it. Jeez.